Lycii is the perfect solution for companies who want to run their business in Salesforce, but still stuck with important business logic sitting in legacy Excel spreadsheets. It enables users to use complex Excel calculations directly in Salesforce and save the results against any standard or custom object at the click of a button. Our Lycii application converts your existing Excel sheets in minutes without any coding or complex migration required. Provides a simple Lightning component to expose your Excel logic on any Salesforce record page. And runs natively on Salesforce with your Excel files securely stored in your Office 365 account. Your existing Excel spreadsheets can be imported directly from your Microsoft OneDrive or SharePoint account. Using our easy point-and-click interface, you can quickly map the fields you want to use and configure synchronization with your Salesforce opportunity, account, case or other objects. Once imported, include the Lycii Lightning component on any Salesforce record page, and you are ready to go. Users can immediately use the functionality of the imported Excel file seamlessly embedded within the familiar Salesforce user interface, run calculations, and store the populated spreadsheets as attachments. Start moving your Excel applications into Salesforce now, and get in touch for a demo or a free trial version of Lycii.